Welcome back to part 2 of our lesson on the environment. We talked about a lot of environmental problems, which we have on the board here. What I'd like you to think of are 3 environmental problems in Vietnam. I want you to think about the country you live in, the environment that you see every day, what you smell, what you see, and think of 3 environmental problems in Vietnam, in your country. Have you had a think? I've also had a think. Vietnam has a few environmental problems, but I would think air pollution, a very big problem. Deforestation, many trees chopped down. Water pollution. Let's have a look at some of the effects, the causes and effects with air pollution. Why do we have air pollution? Can you think? Let's have a look at this factory here. It's burning a lot of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, again, things we dig up from the ground, like coal. And when we burn them for electricity and energy and fuel, it can release poison gases into the air and the atmosphere, polluting our air. Also, in Vietnam, there are so many vehicles, motorcycles. The exhaust fumes from the vehicles, all the smoke which comes out the back, goes up into the air and causes air pollution, poisoning our atmosphere. Very big problem in Vietnam. Let's have a look at another problem. Deforestation. Why do we chop down trees? We sometimes want to clear the land to build more houses, shopping malls, buildings. Also, we use the wood for paper, for firewood. But it causes big problems if we don't have trees. Our soil will erode, making it very difficult to grow other plants. And a lot of animals depend on healthy soil. The more trees we chop down, the more soil erosion we get, where the healthy things in the soil disappears. Chopping down trees leads to climate change. The air gets hotter when we don't have enough trees to breathe in the carbon dioxide, the poison in the air. Without trees, we have a loss of biodiversity. Biodiversity are the interesting plants and animals we have on this earth. Without trees, a lot of animals have no homes to live in. A lot of other plants won't be able to grow on the trees. And when we lose biodiversity, we lose a lot in our natural habitats. So air pollution, deforestation. What about water pollution? What are some of the causes we looked at? Oil spills in the ocean from ships. Rubbish going into the ocean. Waste coming into our ocean. This will affect sea life. Lots of fish won't be able to live in our seas anymore, which gives us less to eat and makes our world less populated with sea life. It can ruin seabeds, coral, natural things that grow in the ocean. When there is too much rubbish, or poison in the sea. So in Vietnam, we've heard some of the causes and the effects. I'd like you to think some questions. What do you think some of the causes are? Garbage dumps. Why would a garbage dump be a problem? This is something I want you to think about for your homework, and I'll be interested in your answer. I'd also like you to think, why do we spray pesticides? What do you think the effects of pesticides on our grounds and on our plants will be? That's it for part B of the lesson on the environment. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.